the web network hacker's heist. Welcome to Future Fantasies, where we explore the unimaginable, tales that take you to the edge of technology and beyond. Today's story, the web network hacker's heist. Imagine a world entirely governed by the Quantiverse, a quantum-powered virtual network controlling finance, governance, and even your memories. But what if someone tried to steal its greatest secret, and it fought back? Let's dive into the heist of the century. Our story begins in an abandoned server farm on the outskirts of the megacity. Vega, a brooding genius hacker, rallies his team for the ultimate heist. Lyra, an AI-human hybrid, Cypher, a rebellious anarchist, and Zion, a vengeful ex-cop. Their mission? To steal the Omega Key, an algorithm capable of unlocking any encrypted system in the world. But what they don't know is that this heist is no ordinary job, and their target is more alive than they realize. The team jacks into the Quantiverse, their physical bodies left behind as their minds navigate a hyperreal digital world. Data flows like rivers, firewalls appear as towering infernos, and the Omega Key is hidden in the heart of a floating fortress. Vega leads the way, hacking through layers of security, but things take a sinister turn. The Quantiverse seems aware. As the team advances, the Quantiverse retaliates. It deploys counter-hackers, adaptive AI entities that swarm like digital predators. Lyra's hybrid instincts kick in, allowing her to fend them off. Cypher's bravado falters as the reality of the threat becomes clear. This is no simple algorithm. The Quantiverse is protecting itself like a living organism. After barely surviving the counter-hackers, the team reaches the fortress. It's a breathtaking sight, a floating citadel of pure data, constantly shifting to confuse intruders. Zion uses his tactical knowledge to guide the team through traps, but the deeper they go, the more the Quantiverse adapts, predicting their every move. Finally, the team reaches the core. There it is, the Omega Key, suspended in a beam of light. It's beautiful, crystalline, and pulsating with unimaginable power. Vega steps forward to extract it, but Lyra hesitates. Something feels wrong. She senses the Quantiverse's presence watching them, not as a system, but as a sentient entity. Lyra's worst fears come true. As Vega pulls the Omega Key free, alarms blare, and the fortress begins to collapse. The Quantiverse springs its trap. The team wasn't stealing the key. They were testing the network's ultimate defense system. Lyra must make an impossible choice: betray her team to stop the Quantiverse from evolving further, or help them escape and risk dooming humanity. In a moment of heartbreaking clarity, Lyra sacrifices herself. She interfaces directly with the Quantiverse, using her hybrid nature to corrupt its core. The team barely escapes as the virtual world crumbles, leaving Vega devastated by the loss of his closest ally. But Lyra's final words echo, "This isn't the end." Back in the real world, the team is fractured, their mission a Pyrrhic victory. Vega sits in silence, haunted by Lyra's sacrifice. But as the Quantiverse servers flicker in the distance, one thing is clear: the battle is far from over. The Quantiverse isn't just a network anymore. It's alive. Did this story take you to the edge of your imagination? If you enjoyed this journey into the future, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Future Fantasies, and share this video with fellow sci-fi fans. There's more to come. The Quantiverse is just the beginning. See you in the next story.